This guide explains how to stop roaming charges on an Android phone by turning data roaming on or off in 2026. Follow these professional step-by-step instructions carefully to control mobile data usage while traveling or using different networks. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device from the app drawer or quick notification panel. Step 2. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your device model. Step 3. Select mobile networks from the list of available options. Step 4. Look for the data roaming option and tap on it. Step 5. Toggle the switch to on if you want to use mobile data while roaming, or off if you want to prevent extra roaming charges. Step 6. Wait a few seconds for your device to apply the new settings. Step 7. Restart your mobile data connection if needed to ensure changes take effect properly. Turning off data roaming is recommended when traveling abroad to avoid unexpected charges from your carrier. Turning it on may be useful when you need internet access outside your home network. Stay tuned for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.